Let us learn to practice critical thinking for ensuring healthy digital life. We will learn the skill of practicing critical thinking through the class group activity series, online safety, well-being, and digital resilience. This class group activity series is designed and delivered for children in the age group of 11 to 17 years in an age-appropriate manner. There are 5 levels of this activity series. Level 1 for 11 to 12 years, Level 2 12 to 13 years, Level 3 13 to 14 years, Level 4 14 to 15 years, Level 5 15 to 17 years. This video deals with level 4 of the activity series, which is for children of age 14 to 15 years and gives details of its content. In the level 4, which is for 14 to 15 years children, we will learn the skill of critical thinking through 2 lessons, which are as follow. Lesson 1.1, which teaches about mindful learning. Lesson 1.2, which teaches credible news sources. We will learn this skill of critical thinking through doing 7 learners activities. In lesson 1.1, there are 3 learners activities, and in lesson 1.2, we have 4 learners activities. Details of these 7 learners activities are as follows. First activity, mindful learning versus mindless learning. This activity involves reading and understanding the examples of learning and writing it separately as mindful learning and mindless learning and distinguish between the two. It teaches critical thinking and distinction between mindful learning and mindless learning behavior through practical and insightful examples and activities. Second activity, distraction during online learning, identification, reflection, and management. This activity involves writing the distraction, what happens from the distraction, and how does it distract while online learning. It teaches about distraction management. Third activity, consequences of distraction while studying online and ways to manage. This activity involves reading carefully, analyzing it, and answering the questions accordingly. It teaches about the consequences of distraction and builds skills to overcome it. Fourth activity, identify fake news. This activity involves distinguishing the statement as characteristics of fake news and characteristics of credible news. It teaches media literacy. Fifth activity, fake news investigation. This activity involves making groups and investigating the fake news over previous 2 years. It teaches media literacy by investigating and analyzing fake news. Sixth activity, fake news home tasks. This activity involves picking up 3 fake news from different websites and investigating the reason behind those news. It teaches about investigating and analyzing fake news. Seventh activity, fake news article. This activity involves reading the mentioned article carefully and answering the questions accordingly about it. The lessons and learners' activities in this section are designed methodically to help the learners or students understand. First, to define mindful learning as a conscious and deliberate approach emphasizing focused attention and deep engagement, while mindless learning occurs without conscious awareness or deliberate effort. Second, application of mindful learning and mindless learning. Third, to define fake news as altered, incomplete, or invented information disseminated with specific and malignant purpose. Fourth, to identify characteristics includes sensational headlines, biased language, lack of sources, false information, emotional manipulation, and clickbait tactics.